beast. I'm a beast.
Yeah.
I got a beat. Down by feet. Down 9 feet in the ground. Call me groundhog, but guess what, boss? Got me looking like a bear in a circus. Better yet, in a cage. Roll it, smoke it, pass it. Roll it, smoke it, pass it, pass it. Roll it, smoke it, pass it, pass it. Roll it, smoke it, blast it. I'm smoking sweets, I'm rolling sours, married to the game. Pushing broken bounds, that's why my bars are full of broken bottles, and my nightstands are full of open bottles. Nah, scratch it, fuck that. I'm not Little Wayne, I'm D Hills, bitch. Let it rain. Yeah, you heard me right. Let it rain, my middle name is James. I'm a beast. I'm a beast. I'm beast. Cause I'm a beast.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna joke about it. Talk about it. Hit me up. I can smoke weed better than the best. I can roll it, smoke it, light it, pass it, and the rest. And the rest get arrested. Driving with your lights on, busted.
Yo, hold up. Yo, it's time to bring it down. Yo, Cypher, makes the world go around and everybody think you're ready in the pool you drown. I'm coming back the world track, coming around the world. Yo, you can't take it back, I love your fucking track. But everybody knows me, I gotta bring it back. Like the time when you knew fucking video. I'm coming back, yo, I'm like a fucking Mirio. You can't fuck with my rhythm as I'm going loose up in the booth. I'm fucking ripping out my fucking front tooth. I'm so hard, stabbing you with a brittle shard. I'm nailing the coffin, I'm fucking down you really hard. I'm fucking heavy, and my name used to be Clevy. My name is Pat, but I bring it back really heavy. Yo, D Hilts, you're really good, you're my cousin. Yo, we're not from the fucking hood, we're from the country. So that's alright with me. I'm still rapping till I get the fucking rhythm geology. So equivalent, so fucking Afrocentrism. Coming back the world like you know it's Afrocentrism. Cause yo, I got the instrumental, got the rhythm, I got the flow. D Hilts, better get with them. But that's alright, cause he's already coming back, and the fucking golden track. I stutter a little bit when I'm dropping a freak, but who gives a fuck? I'm still gonna try to be me. I'm gonna do me, and no one stops me. I'm hitting the rhythm, bitch, to the fucking third degree. Yo, I'm at the fucking circus looking at the animal. No one gives a fuck, it's just a minimal. To the criminals walking in the streets, I'm coming back, always mocking up different beats. Yo, this is my rhythm that I bust, and I bust it loose. Coming back the world like I lost a tooth. But busted a rhythm is the bust of the booth, Coming back the world, bitch. You know the front tooth. Yo, I'm ripping about, cause I'm ripping about. Coming back the fucking world, that's what it's all about. Ripping at everything I got, put it down in the fucking spot. That's what I'm talking about. Coming back, drinking beer from a spout. You little fucking trout in the sea. Coming to back the world, you think you're gonna be me? But Dennis Hiltz already has the geology. The fucking shit, yo, he's a fucking prodigy. Yo, you tell me what you see, tell me what you said. Coming to back the world, lay you down in your fucking bed. I think I've already killed you, I think you've already dead. But I'm gonna nail the coffin till I come back like the vet. Yo, I'm in the fucking rest zone, peace. Coming back the world, there's a puzzle piece. Put it in the puzzle, coming back with the dog with the muzzle, but you can't muzzle me. I'm on the fucking track. Yo, my voice is what I make it to be. Coming back the world, bitch, buzzing like a bee. Like a fucking G in the fucking geology. The whole point of the world is what you've always wanted to be. You cannot fuck with the rhythm like Eminem did. Always at a battle, trying to be a city kid. But he turned out to be something that you ever wanted. No one's stepping in my rhythm, cause you know it's ironic. The fucking sonic zone, sonic like a sonic bone. And your fucking face, I'm hitting up your mama's phone. And say, yo, come to the fucking crib. I'm gonna rip the rhythm, make you spit shit up on your bed. Yo, I don't give a fuck, this is my rhythm. D Hills always has it with his tristism. But Afrocentrism is what I got while I lay it down on the plate and give you a Yeah!